Good afternoon, everyone. I am Jasprit Singh Sanu from BCA PPU Batch 1, and here I am going to present a PPT presentation on booting process in IBM PC with my group member Ria. Now, first of all, let me define what is booting process in IBM. Booting process refers to the sequential process in which how the computer hardware system operates and it start. Now, the steps involved in booting process are: number one, power on and power on self test, then BIOS activation, then boot device selection, then loading the boot loader, and finally one is loading the operating system and initialization. Now, for the first one is how power on and the self test. So when the power button is on, then the computer turns on with electricity, and then computer performs post test and check all the hardware components are work well or not. After that, BIOS activation, that is BIOS initialize and test all the hardware components in it and look and prepares the system to look for the bootable device. Now after this, the further slides are explained by my group member Ria.
Thank you, Jasprit. My name is Zia. Now further topic explain. Boot device selection. BIOS search for a bootable device. BIOS check device containing operating system. Once a bootable device is found, the BIOS proceeds to the next step. Loading the boot loader. The BIOS loads the boot loader from the bootable device. The boot loader is loaded into a memory and executed. The boot loader takes over control from the BIOS and starts loading the operating system. Loading the operating system and initialization. The bootloader loads the operating system into memory. The operating system initializes the component to set up the system. The operating system completes its startup process and computer is ready for user to interact. Thank you.